Hey you guys, this is Clarence from Sieg on the Speed 252. I want to thank you so much for pressing that play button. You could be doing anything with your time right now, but you're actually tuning into the video and you're supporting me. I greatly appreciate it. This is going to be a short video today. I've been getting a few questions from the followers of mine asking me, do I think this is a supercar? And I kind of want to get some input from you guys to see what you guys think. For everyone that owns the Grand Sport, for everyone that owns the Z06, for the ones who also test drove both the Grand Sport and the Z06, for you ladies as well who also may own this car. What do you think? Do you think this is a, do you think this is a supercar? From my opinion, this is the fastest car I've ever driven so far. Comparing it to all the other supercars that is pushing, you know, obviously the Z06, 650 horsepower. Now the ZR1 with 755 horsepower. Are those considered supercars? I definitely will say that I love my Grand Sport. I can pretty much talk about this car all day long. I can give you information about this car all day long. I don't daily drive it, but I drive it enough to know enough about it. And I just want to figure out, you know, deep down, do you guys and ladies think this is a supercar? I mean, the 0 to 60 time is definitely quick. It's not 2.9 seconds like the Z06, but it's it handles great. It drives great. To me, it rides smooth. Yes, when you hit a pothole, you just may feel it just a little bit, but you may not feel it as much. I know a couple other people like Mr. Chuck, who currently right now is getting his Grand Sport in pretty soon. Congratulations to you, my man. And I want to get your opinion about it as well. I'm curious to see what you think, to see whether or not this is a supercar or not. If it's not, you know, I'm still excited about my Grand Sport because I still love it. In my opinion, I really don't have an answer as to whether or not it is a supercar, because I feel like I need to really get into a Z06 and really get into it in order to kind of compare the two, whether or not that's a supercar or whether this is not a supercar. Because now, in the past, I have heard friends and other YouTubers say the Z06 is a supercar, but now the ZR1, what do you think about the Z06 now? Is that still a supercar, or is the ZR1 a supercar and above a supercar? So that's a good question that you guys and ladies ask, and I'm just curious to know whether or not you think the Grand Sport is a supercar. If you don't think so, that's okay. If you do think so, that's good as well. I want everyone to leave their comments down below, because I definitely want to feed off this video based off you guys and ladies' comments on whether or not the Grand Sport is a supercar. It pretty much handles like one. It pretty much drives like one. And the horsepower definitely feels like one. So with that being said, I appreciate you for watching this video. Like I said, it's going to be short. I'm just curious to know everyone's opinion whether or not the Grand Sport could be considered a supercar, since it has 460 horsepower, stopped, and is pushing 394 to the wheel. And I just want you guys' opinion. So without further ado, definitely leave your comments down below. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do. I would love to have you part of the community, part of the family. We're all a family here. We treat each other well. I love all the comments, all the great feedback I get from each and every one of you. And I just appreciate each and every one of you definitely tuning in every video I release. I release videos Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I try to release them before 10 o'clock p.m. Sometimes life gets in the way when I'm not able to release at that specific time. But when I do, I'm hoping that you tune in and it's a great video. Once again, please subscribe if you haven't.